Look at that goofy little fella. Wait. Why are you looking at me like that? Go! Come on!
I like the smell.
It smells like a grilled cheese sandwich that has been eaten. No, it actually smells like the breath of a person that had ate a grilled cheese sandwich that was like 1 million years old.
So just
This stinks, but yeah. King Pingy. Yeah, this is terrifying.
The one with the mustache on.
someone mustache.
Hey, Stacy! Get out of my territory. Any penguins? Well, that's a proud wife. At work, trying to see if his husband can find the perfect rock. Yeah, definitely can. Zane, that's not a flamingo, that's a penguin.
Penguins are birds.
Yeah, and it's actually going there, so we need to go. We need to run. We need to run for our lights. Run for a right. Dude, that penguin's sick. Look at that wife. Again, that works. Me. Oh my god. Oh. How deep does this go? Yeah. Oh. That's how
Turn for the other.
That's how David is. That's how David is. That's